Hi, in this lesson, we're going to talk about viewing documents side by side. And where this is really useful is imagine that you are working on a document with a coworker and you are each working on your own version of it. You have two separate documents and you need to compare them and mix and match. Maybe you're going to take some stuff from one, some from another to create a finalized document. Being able to view these documents side by side is a great way to do that. Now, I have this document open. This is our stockholder report. And as we look through it, there's not really any formatting. There's no text boxes, no images, no footnotes, endnotes, nothing. But I also have open at the same time a different version of the same document. And this one has everything. It has headers, footers, footnotes, endnotes, images, text boxes, all kinds of things in here. And we would like to compare these side to side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back up here to this page. And I'm going to go to the View tab on my Ribbon. And you'll see here in the Windows section, I have View Side by Side. And when I hover over it, it says, instead of switching back and forth between documents, view them side by side. It makes comparing them easier. And that's very true. So let's go ahead and let's click that. And now we see that we have indeed these two documents side by side. Now, my mouse pointer is here on the left document, and I'm scrolling my mouse wheel, and you see both documents are scrolling. That's because, and let's go ahead and take a look at our Windows section again, when we do view side by side, we also get automatically the synchronous scrolling. Scroll two documents at the same time. Now, I want to turn this off, so I simply click on it so it's no longer highlighted. And I'm going to click here in the document on the right because what I want to do is get this document so it's at the same point. Letter from the chair, letter from the chair. And I'll even move this up a little bit. And now we'll go back and we will turn on synchronous scrolling. So now I can scroll through the document essentially at the same rate and in the same place as we move along. A really, really nice feature. Now, let's say that for some reason I have made this one bigger. Maybe I wanted to zoom in on it. And we're still synchronous scrolling, but you want to get them back to side by side. Let's go back here, although I could just do it in this one either way. I have this option, reset window position. And if I click there, now it just swapped these. And my scrolling is not necessarily synchronized as well as I might like, but of course we know that we can turn that off and line them up again. And there we are. Now, there's one more thing I want to show you, and that's this option here, Arrange All. If I click there, that will stack the documents. Instead of making them side by side, they're now one on top of each other, but we still have the ability to synchronize the scrolling. And we still see these two documents together, and we can work on them or just examine them, whatever we need, however we want. And again, if I want to go back to side by side, I can just simply click Reset. So now you know how to view two documents side by side here in Windows. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.